The Hill Start Assist system in Honda Civics prevents the vehicle from rolling backward when starting on a hill. This warning appears on the dashboard when the system detects a problem. Common triggers include software glitches from recent updates, especially in newer models. Faulty sensors like the brake pedal switch or wheel speed sensors can also cause this warning. Low brake fluid is another frequent cause. Modern Honda vehicles can automatically diagnose these issues through the My Honda app. If the issue persists, seek professional assistance. First, try a simple system reset by disconnecting the car battery for 10 minutes. Check your brake fluid level and ensure the brake pedal switch is functioning properly. Honda issued technical service bulletins like A24-002 for ECU reflashes to fix software bugs. Check if your Civic is affected. For 2024 plus models, ensure you're running the latest software via OTA updates. Dealership visits may be required for sensor replacements or software updates if the problem persists. Remember, problems in the Vehicle Stability Assist system can sometimes trigger false HSA warnings. Check diagnostic apps for information on HSA and VSA systems.